Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to prepare caprese salad. Start by selecting ripe tomatoes and fresh mozzarella, then slice both evenly for balanced bites. Layer tomato, cheese, and basil leaves, drizzle with good extra virgin olive oil and a touch of aged balsamic, and season with sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Let the salad rest briefly so flavors meld before serving with warm bread. Choose a sharp knife and slice tomatoes and mozzarella to matching thickness so every bite combines both textures. Arrange slices in an overlapping pattern and insert basil leaves between each layer for balanced flavor and color. Drizzle oil and balsamic slowly to control coverage, then lightly season and let the assembled salad sit a few minutes to meld. Serve at room temperature to best showcase the fresh ingredients and simple seasoning. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your kitchen to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers and music while you cook. It makes chopping and plating more fun. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if interested. Now let's get back to the video. Keep seasoning simple so the main ingredients shine. Good olive oil, a modest drizzle of balsamic, flaky salt, and freshly cracked black pepper. For texture and flair, try optional add-ins like thin prosciutto, avocado slices, or a pinch of toasted pine nuts. If you want a twist, replace balsamic with a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Taste as you go and adjust seasoning so each component remains balanced and fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.